Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glovebox, what we're going to look at today is our little THD Wisconsin two-cylinder engine. A lot of times this was used in a commercial application. I saw them a lot of times when I was a kid, used them on hay balers, trenchers, things like that. And you may know some other uses that they were used for over a period of time. So anyway, let's come over here and let's check it out. Well, I had totally rewired it, new points, condenser, had to put another regulator on it, even had to go into the generator and replace a brush and do a little bit of wiring repair. I'll see if I can't find some of those wires that were damaged, but it looked like a little old mouse had kind of chewed on them. Here's a view of some of the wires on the condition of them. This battery cable wore there, got a break in this wire, there was a break here, and this one's missing all the insulation on it nearly. Another break here, so wires were in pretty bad shape. There were several versions of these. This is a THD, it has the hardened valve seats in it, and the difference between a THD and a TJD is the pistons on the THD both come up to the top at the same time. The TJD, one comes to the top, and then after half a rotation the other one comes to the top. Well, what we'll do, we'll go ahead and crank it up. Give it a little throttle. Well, hey guys, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop and let's watching the old THD fire up. Seems like it's running pretty good. I got a little bit of an oil leak on the gear housing and probably just need to replace the gasket, but looks like this thing's a runner. So anyway, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop. This is Rusty Glovebox, and I'm out of here.